Hi everybody, Robert Dyer, and welcome to the Robert Dyer channel Christmas Countdown, where today is Christmas. Bring the 2015 Christmas Countdown to a close, but there's plenty more coming here on the Robert Dyer channel, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I hope everyone has had a wonderful Christmas, and I want to thank each and every one of you who tuned in for this Christmas countdown. It's only possible because of you and your subscriptions and comments and sharing these on Twitter and Facebook, anywhere else you can. And so I know somebody had mentioned about maybe unboxing some gifts. This isn't an actual unboxing fully, but I wanted to bring out one of my gifts I received today. This is something that I've always wanted for many years, but didn't really exist. I've always been interested in subways as well as trains, but as you know, it's hard to find anything of a subway. And here's a gift I received today. MTA New York City Subway official logo, and then this great cover art here in the box of the subway, and then you have the backdrop of New York City there, the latest addition to the Skyline train set. Officially licensed. Close up. The fine details. The logos. American flag. The textures, that metallic. You can even see this is going to Coney Island. I didn't even notice that till I zoomed in. Doesn't get any better than that. And here's some of the scenes on the box that show you how you get the full subway experience here. You have the tunnel it's going through underground, the iconic underground subway station, and this is Roosevelt Island. See, it's pulling into the station. And then you have also an elevated station, and again another iconic design known around the world. Very impressive. And then here it is making one of the number of bridge crossings that the system makes in New York. And then here on the back you have some information about the current subway cars they're using. And unlike Washington, they operate 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, and somehow are able to operate it better than they do here in the Washington area. Much larger system, goes everywhere almost that you need to go. Here's some stickers to put on. A very impressive setup here.
Oh, ever since I stopped that gorilla and saved Christmas, messages have been pouring in from around the world. Take a look at this, Bob.
Take a look at this.
Bob, a holiday message from Andre Ryu. Incredible. Incredible. Bob, I've been waiting 24 days to do this.
Well, thank you again for tuning in. I hope you've had a Merry Christmas today. I look forward to seeing you in the coming days here on the Robert Dyer channel. Hope you like this video. Share it with your friends. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.